Loading the sample now.
Results look consistent with the specification. The color match is within tolerance.
Approved for batch processing.
Here in our state-of-the-art facility, Precision Robotics ensure every lipstick meets the highest standards. Precision is key. We carefully blend the pigments in our state-of-the-art planetary mixers before moving to quality assurance.
The manufacturing process begins as large blocks of pigment-rich wax are hoisted and dropped into the massive melting kettles.
The process begins with the precise dosing of highly concentrated pigments into the lipid base.
The key to our signature shade is the precise mixing of the pigments into the warm wax, ensuring perfect uniformity. The delta E value is well within tolerance. We can approve this batch for shipment.
Maintaining absolute sterility is paramount. Our automated systems meticulously clean each mold before the alignment process begins.
The liquid lipstick is dispensed with precision, taking its final shape in the aluminum molds before cooling.
The molds enter the cooling tunnel, where precise temperature control ensures the lipstick stabilizes perfectly.
The raw materials are swiftly transported along the automated conveyor, ensuring peak efficiency as the tubes are precisely filled.
Here we see the empty tubes being rapidly aligned by the vibratory feeder and transferred by the pneumatic pick-and-place mechanism.
The precision of the insertion machine ensures every lipstick bullet is seated perfectly within its tube, maintaining the highest quality standards.
The surface texture on this batch is exceptional.
Agreed. No crystallization or drag lines visible under the lamp.
Precision engineering ensures that every lipstick carton is perfectly formed and sealed before moving down the line for filling. Here we see the precise insertion of the lipstick trays, ensuring product protection before they move to the sealing stage. At the metal detection phase, every lipstick carton is meticulously scanned to ensure the highest standards of product safety and quality control.
In the palletizing area, synchronized robotic arms manage the seamless flow of
Every day, this facility stages thousands of pallets, ensuring our lipstick products reach global markets efficiently.
Here at the distribution center, our team ensures that every component reaches the assembly line efficiently.
Watch your left side.
Okay, bringing it in now.
Seal is secured, ready for manifest.
Looks good. Everything accounted for on the pallets.